This is not just another website template. This is an AI powered customer support website built for local businesses with chatbot, voice AI positioning, and lead capture and high level potential automation. And I am giving it away for absolutely free. If you want to learn as to how can you grab this special feature offer, then make sure you watch the video till the end. Because here I'm going to decode you everything that you can do with High Level's AI powered solution. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pritam. I run a Go High Level Fun, a website design agency, and the founder of the High Level Lab, which is a premium private community for free for the first 500 members to learn about high level community and AI powered system. So in this video, I'm going to show you how can you get this premium high level AI studio template for absolutely free. If you guess what, this is actually part of my free resource inside my community. As you can see inside the high level lab, I'm giving away AI studio templates for absolutely free. And not just that, I'm also have recorded training courses, AI studio templates, coaching and Q&A recordings, which I have every single week inside my session. If you see here, then you'll be seeing that on every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern time, I have these coaching calls coming up. Now, here's what you're going to get when you get this free access. By the way, the link should be in the description box, the highlevellab.com, right? So this is exactly where you need to go and you'll be able to see it. Just comment template and I'm going to give it away to you for free inside my community in the comment section. Okay, here's exactly what you see. When you get inside the classroom, you will be able to see that I have multiple of this. I even have this premium guide that you can use inside your AI studio for absolutely free. I have home service contractor, finance, insurance, legal, medical, dental, healthcare, real estate, SaaS, and coaches, course creators, and consultants. And everything here is part of this premium website that I have been creating inside High Levels AI Studio. Believe me or not, this is an groundbreaking. I am able to create these kind of premium AI websites inside High Levels AI Studio. Not just that, High Level has a true potential of providing premium AI voice and chatbot solutions to your local businesses, no matter what kind of business you are able to do. In High Level, you will be able to see that AI agents are all over, and High Level is leading the charge. You can here create voice AI agents. You can here create conversational AI, knowledge base, agent templates, content AI. Everything here gets added inside this high level account. And this is one of the best solution available on the internet. So this is what you see when you become part of my premium community for absolutely free at zero cost. Not just that, High Level is also giving away its premium Summer of AI offer for absolutely free for the next 90 days. And guess what? You will be able to use AI features at a discounted rate, and for the next 30 days, it's absolutely free. You do not have to say anything at all. Now, this is the kind of solutions High Level has been providing in order to grow its business. And guess what? It has been impacting millions of lives as we speak. Now, this is the reason why I have been creating a premium community. If you sign up with High Level for this 14-day free trial and claim free AI, you are going to get access to my premium community as well. Let me show it to you as to how exactly that part is. So, if you get access to my premium community, this is where all the magic happens with all the templates and everything. I have been uploading a ton of features here, and here you can see we have already added home service contractors, and this is a complete snapshot solution that you will be able to see with training. So whether you want to install the snapshot, whether you want a complete walkthrough, or you want premium templates inside your which you can add inside your community, right? This is exactly what you're going to get, and this is part of the features. Not just that, you're also going to get an hour long of coaching session with premium members and me every single week inside this community. Everything gets recorded so that you can view it as per your own pace. Premium members get also something that you might really want: AI Studio website funnel templates. And this is going to be for every single niche. You can import these websites using our premium AI prompts, which have been designed and engineered in a way to give you the best results possible in the current AI scenario, which has been tried and tested. And I am able to bring everything here. And if I can build it, I'm sure you can build it too. Just look at the kind of contracting templates and home service templates you will have: solar roofing installation website, plumbing services, contract to construction companies, kitchen and bathroom remodeling, roofing installation, modern roofing, pool cleaning, auto repair detailing, restoration, junk removal, home cleaning, gardening, landscape, auto repair, industrial contract, HVAC, electrical service, everything that you need in your business. And this is the place for you to be in. No other person is providing this kind of solution and this kind of value inside any community ever. And that's why I have decided, and my mission in order to have over 1,000 people inside my premium community. And if you can get started now with a free trial, you get access to all of this at a zero cost, because I won't be charging you a penny and you don't have to pay it either. My goal is to help you grow and give you the opportunity to learn from me directly without you having to spending any money at all. Now, this is exactly why people are signing up under me and getting these best of the best features available on the internet as of now. If you are somebody who wants to grow their business using high levels AI studio and AI features, this is the right time. Let me show it to you the kinds of prompts I have been using in order to create. Guess what? I already have the prompt inside my community. Let me quickly show it to you. So I will go inside my free community. It's free to join, right? For the first 500 members, just type website template, and I'm going to give this to you for absolutely free. Here, you will be able to see that I am giving away these kinds of replication guide prompts that you will need inside your business. But if you join my premium community, which anybody can join for free, they just have to sign up or upgrade using my affiliate link. They will be able to see something like AI prompts. And with this AI prompts, you have multiple of these. You have a two-step duplicate and a fix bug and quality check prompt, which is going to take any website and make sure it gets replicated at the maximum potential possible in order for you to not only duplicate it, but also fix bugs and do a proper quality check in order to grow your business. On this, that we also have an AI Studio website animation prompt. With this, you will be able to add amazing subtle animation that takes your website stand apart from the generic AI websites that's created nowadays. Because this is the difference. When everybody has AI, everybody can create website. But those websites are called AI slop because they do not look good, they do not look professional, they are not premium, and they are broken and they're full of bugs. That's when somebody like me, who has been in the business for over 5 years and has helped over 100 plus clients across 12 plus countries, I'm going to teach you for absolutely free. I'm also disclosing this in this video. I'm going to introduce the free AI tutorial course where I'm going to teach you about AI Studio and how to build these kind of website, taking my prompts, taking my templates and real life examples in a recorded video format where I record every single piece, every single error, every single success, and every single outcome in that video so that you can binge watch, learn from me as if you learned from me into an offline setup. That's the exact feature and value that I provide in the market, which others don't, because I have been in the trenches, helped my client, and made myself over 300,000 US dollars. That's the reason why I'm going to teach you everything inside my community. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. And guess what? If you want this premium template, just write website template or template in the comment box, and I'm going to give you the community access for absolutely free. It's your chance to grow your business, and it's your chance to work with me for free.
Hey, Keith and Lewis here. I just wanted to make a quick testimonial for my guy Pritam. If you're looking for a funnel using GoHighLevel, or you need somebody to make a video sales letter for you, or basically anything when it comes to websites, funnels, GoHighLevel, he is 100% the guy that you've got to go to. He hooked us up with a great funnel, was willing to book multiple calls with us, always response, or have a very high response time, and has a great attitude. So not only is he a great performer, but on top of that is a great person. So if you're looking to do work with Pritam, I promise you he's going to give you a killer funnel. He's going to get you killer results. And you should probably do it. So keep killing it, Pritam. And if you're looking forward to working with him, definitely do it.